Kano State Government has in the last few weeks been engaging investors and other relevant stakeholders in a series of meetings to find a lasting solution to the state's dwindling economy. Governor Abdullahi Ganduje has also not hidden his government's resolve to ensure that the people of Kano enjoy socio-economic development as he signed 10 new Memorandum of Understanding with various investors for projects across the state.
We believe these things will assist Kano to be a mega city. This will improve our internally generated revenue. This also will give us more impetus to develop our rural areas if we have commercial activities thriving in metropolitan Kano. We are a very serious government and we are expecting a very serious approach by the investors. We will not tolerate any red tapeism from the civil service. We shall not tolerate any bureaucracy. That is why we established the Investment Promotion Agency. So if there is any obstacle, if there is any sabotage, if there is any go slow, if there is any diversion along the process of implementation, please come to the governor straight.
The intention of this project, as I said, is the first of many. And it is our hope that by investing in this particular important sector, we will in fact begin the process of transformation of Kano State, because power is the backbone of industrial transformation.